Earth's lightning is momentary, blink and it's gone. But out past the asteroid belt, storms crank bolts so big they could power your house for 1,000 years in 1 millisecond. Imagine a single flash that could air fry an entire city. Now hit repeat every few seconds, wrap the planet in ammonia clouds thick enough to drown in, and boom! Welcome to Jupiter. Today we're riding shotgun with the only spacecraft crazy enough to fly through that chaos to find out how space lightning works, and why it flips planetary science on its head. 1979, Voyager 1 sails past Jupiter and hears popcorn static on the radio. Scientists thought it was interference. Then someone checks the timing. Every pop lines up with monster storm clouds on the night side. First alien lightning ever detected. Each bolt? 1 billion joules minimum. That's like stapling 100 of Earth's strongest strikes into one super bolt. Skip 2 now. NASA's Juno loops over Jupiter every 53 days, surfing magnetic fields and listening with an antenna called waves. Cassini did the same dance at Saturn for 13 years before kamikazing into its clouds. Next up, ESA's JUICE, launching with ears so sharp it could hear a phone vibrate on Pluto. No pickup trucks, no chase planes, just solar-powered robots doing storm chaser cosplay. Lightning's battery is water. On Earth, rising vapor smacks ice crystals and, zap, charge separates. Same story on Jupiter, only the water's buried 60 miles deep in an ammonia slush. Juno's microwave vision proved storms light up exactly where those hidden water clouds start. 40-year-old theory? Checkmate in one orbit. Saturn plays on a bigger board. Every 30 Earth years, a storm nicknamed the Great White Spot balloons until it belts the whole planet. Cassini watched the 2010 version flash lightning every few seconds, bursts so strong they outshone every radio station on Earth combined. One Saturn storm had enough juice to keep your phone alive until the sun dies. Lightning doesn't just crackle, it cooks. Jupiter's bolts bake methane into benzene and acetylene, painting those gorgeous orange bands you see in photos. Saturn's strikes forge carbon-nitrogen gunk that drifts upward and tints the rings rusty. Some scientists even think space lightning helped whip up the amino acid starter kit that seeded Earth. Every flash, a tiny kitchen experimenting with life. Juno's waves recorder spits out eerie whistles. Scientists call them whistlers. Play them in headphones, and it's like a horror movie bomb dropping in slow motion. The first time researchers blasted one at a conference, half the room got goosebumps, the other half swore. Jupiter just sighed at us. Earth has sprites, faint red ghosts above thunderstorms. Jupiter. Same thing, only each one is the size of France. Saturn probably hosts them too, but its rings play peekaboo. These mega flashes pump energy into the planet's magnetic bubble, spiking radiation levels that could fry future spacecraft. Space explorers will treat lightning forecasts like we treat hurricanes, mandatory viewing. Big mystery, who flips the switch? Water builds the charge, but something has to start the spark. Leading suspect, cosmic rays, high-speed bullets from exploded stars. Juno's extended mission is hunting for the moment a particle cascade tunnels through the cloud and lightning roars to life. If cosmic rays are the trigger, storms on Earth and Jupiter are just cousins separated by 400 million miles of vacuum. Exoplanet hunters now scan starlight for radio blips that mimic Juno's data. Catch a hot Jupiter crackling 10,000 times brighter than homegrown lightning, and you've sniffed out water clouds trillions of miles away without ever seeing the planet. Lightning just became the cheapest interstellar weather report. Every space bolt is a breadcrumb leading to water, chemistry, and maybe biology. Track enough flashes and we'll piece together how hydrogen gas turned into oceans, storms, and eventually, you. Detective work at a planetary scale, and we're barely on season 1. So next time Earth's sky flickers, remember, somewhere 1,000 times stronger flash is carving through an ammonia blizzard, sculpting alien skies and maybe mixing the ingredients for life. Juno's still looping, JUICE is prepping for launch, and Saturn's saving fresh surprises. The universe is electric. Make sure you stay plugged in.